Have you ever noticed how some battles are won without a single word? The strongest weapon isn't always what you say. Sometimes it's what you choose not to say. There's a power within you that can silence even the loudest of enemies, and it's simpler than you might think. But are you ready to wield this silent force? In a world where everyone's shouting to be heard, there's one technique that can make all the difference. The truth is, this weapon is within your reach, and it's time you learned how to use it. So, if you're ready to reclaim your power and silence your enemies once and for all, stay tuned. This is the video you've been waiting for. Silence is often misunderstood as a passive response, but for the chosen ones, it is a profound tool of power and resilience. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and endless provocations, choosing silence is a deliberate act of strength. It's about knowing when to speak and when to hold back, allowing your actions and energy to speak louder than words. Silence isn't about surrendering or avoiding conflict. It's about mastering the art of restraint. When you choose silence, you're exercising control over your emotions and reactions, refusing to be drawn into unnecessary confrontations that drain your energy. By embracing silence, you create a space where your thoughts can align with your higher purpose. It allows you to observe situations from a calm and centered place, making decisions that are not clouded by anger or fear. This silence is a shield that protects your inner peace, a peace that your enemies cannot penetrate. It is through silence that you communicate your strength without uttering a single word. The power of silence lies in its ability to convey confidence and composure, signaling that you are not easily shaken. As a chosen one, your silence can be your most effective weapon, one that commands respect and deflects negativity. Silence has an incredible ability to disarm your enemies, leaving them unsure of how to proceed. When someone confronts you with hostility or negativity, they often expect a reaction: anger, frustration, or even fear. These reactions give them a sense of control and validation, reinforcing their behavior. However, when you respond with silence, you disrupt this cycle. Your lack of response creates a void that they struggle to fill, causing them to question their own actions. Silence forces your enemies to confront their intentions without the fuel of your emotional response, often leading to their frustration and confusion. By refusing to engage, you maintain control over the situation. Your silence sends a powerful message. You are not easily provoked, and your peace cannot be disturbed by external forces. This not only protects your energy, but also places you in a position of power. While your enemy is left guessing, you remain calm and composed, observing the situation from a higher perspective. This advantage allows you to navigate challenges with clarity, making decisions that are in alignment with your true self rather than reacting out of impulse. Furthermore, silence can make your enemies reveal more about themselves than they intended. In their attempt to provoke a response, they may expose their insecurities, weaknesses, or true motives. This provides you with valuable insights, giving you a strategic edge in dealing with them. Silence, therefore, becomes not just a defensive tool, but a strategic one, allowing you to gather information and plan your next move without giving away your own position. In essence, silence disarms your enemies by taking away their power to affect you. It keeps you in control, shields your inner peace, and can even turn the tables, leaving those who seek to harm you vulnerable and uncertain. The spiritual strength behind silence is profound, offering a deep reservoir of power that goes beyond mere absence of speech. Silence is a reflection of inner mastery, a state where your mind is not swayed by external noise or distractions. It is in these moments of silence that you connect with your true self, free from the clutter of thoughts and emotions that often cloud your judgment. This connection allows you to tap into a higher state of consciousness where clarity and wisdom reside. Silence, in this sense, becomes a form of meditation, a gateway to spiritual insight and inner peace. When you practice silence, you create a space within yourself that is untouched by the chaos of the world. This space becomes a sanctuary where you can retreat to gain perspective and replenish your energy. Silence allows you to listen more deeply, not just to others, but to the whispers of your own soul. In this quietude, you become more attuned to the subtle energies around you, enabling you to respond to situations with greater awareness and intention. The spiritual strength derived from silence is the strength of self-awareness and self-control, qualities that are essential for navigating the complexities of life. Moreover, silence fosters a deep sense of peace, a peace that is not dependent on external circumstances. This inner tranquility is a powerful shield against negativity, protecting you from the emotional turbulence that others may try to impose on you. In silence, you cultivate a state of being that is resilient, calm, and centered. This inner stillness is not just a refuge, it is a source of profound strength, allowing you to face challenges with grace and composure. Ultimately, the spiritual strength behind silence lies in its ability to ground you in your true essence, keeping you aligned with your higher purpose and unshaken by the trials of life. Implementing silence in your daily life, especially during moments of conflict or provocation, requires mindfulness and deliberate practice. The key is to recognize the power in choosing not to react immediately, giving yourself time to assess the situation before responding. This approach allows you to maintain control over your emotions and actions, rather than letting them be dictated by external forces. For example, when faced with an argument or confrontation, take a moment to pause and breathe deeply. This simple act of silence creates a buffer between you and the situation, allowing you to approach it with a calm and clear mind. Another practical way to implement silence is by listening more than you speak. In conversations, especially heated ones, choose to listen actively rather than rushing to defend your point of view. This not only helps you understand the other person's perspective, but also diffuses tension, as people often seek validation in being heard. By remaining silent and attentive, you demonstrate respect and control, which can shift the dynamic of the interaction in your favor. Additionally, silence can be used strategically in negotiations or debates, where a well-timed pause can create space for reflection and can lead the other party to reveal more than they intended. In your daily routine, incorporate moments of silence as part of your self-care practice. Set aside time each day for quiet reflection, whether through meditation, journaling, or simply sitting in stillness. These moments help you reconnect with your inner self, reinforcing your mental and emotional resilience. Silence, when practiced regularly, becomes a habit that strengthens your ability to navigate challenges with poise and clarity. By integrating silence into your life, you equip yourself with a powerful tool for managing stress, maintaining inner peace, and responding to life's difficulties with wisdom and grace. Using silence as a tool for growth is a transformative practice that can lead to profound personal development. Silence creates a space for introspection, allowing you to examine your thoughts, emotions, and experiences without the distractions of daily life. In this quiet space, you can reflect on your actions, learn from past mistakes, and gain insights into your true desires and motivations. This self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth, as it enables you to identify areas in your life that need improvement and to make conscious decisions that align with your higher purpose. Furthermore, silence encourages you to develop patience and tolerance. In a world where instant gratification is often the norm, the ability to sit in silence and wait is a powerful skill. It teaches you to be patient with yourself and with the process of growth, understanding that true transformation takes time. This patience extends to your interactions with others as well, helping you to respond with compassion and understanding rather than reacting impulsively. By practicing silence, you cultivate a sense of inner calm that allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Silence also fosters creativity and problem-solving. When you quiet the noise around you, your mind is free to explore new ideas and perspectives. This can lead to innovative solutions to problems that may have seemed insurmountable in the chaos of everyday life. In this way, silence becomes a source of inspiration, helping you to think outside the box and approach challenges with a fresh mindset. Ultimately, using silence as a tool for growth is about embracing stillness as a necessary part of the journey. It allows you to step back, gain perspective, and approach life with a renewed sense of purpose and direction. Through silence, you unlock your potential, turning challenges into opportunities for self-discovery and personal evolution. In conclusion, mastering the art of silence is essential for those on a path of spiritual and personal growth. Silence is not merely the absence of speech. It is a powerful expression of inner strength and self-control. By choosing silence, you protect your energy, maintain your peace, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. This practice allows you to observe situations from a higher perspective, making decisions that are aligned with your true self. Furthermore, silence can be a profound tool in disarming your enemies and navigating life's challenges with grace. It fosters self-awareness, patience, and creativity, enabling you to grow and evolve continuously. As a chosen one, embracing silence empowers you to rise above obstacles, turning them into opportunities for introspection and wisdom. Ultimately, silence is not just a strategy, but a way of being that reflects your deepest values and commitment to a fulfilled, purposeful life. If you're ready to unlock the power of silence and transform your life, hit that subscribe button and join the Chosen Wisdom community for more insights on your spiritual journey.